We are going to learn about direct and indirect proportion. In this video, we know the definition of direct and indirect proportion to solve application problems using direct and indirect proportion. Ratio. Comparison of two quantities of the same kind. The product of the means is equal to the product of extremes. Direct proportion. Direct variation is the relationship between two quantities. Those ratio remains constant. One variable varies directly in line with the other. Formula y is equal to kx, k equal to y by x. Indirect variation. The indirect variation is the relationship between two quantities whose product remains constant. As one variable increases, the other decreases in proportion so that the product remains the same. The formula xy is equal to k, y is equal to k by x. We have seen some examples. You identify which one is a direct and indirect. The distance travelled by a car and time taken. The number of workers and the number of days. The two examples are given. The first one is direct variation. Because of the distance increases, the time also increases. The second one, the number of workers increases, the days decreases. So the indirect proportion. Unitary method. The value of one unit will be found. Secondly, to find the value of a required number of units. Using unitary method, Shravan bought 2 notebooks for 24 rupees. How much money will be needed to buy 9 such notebooks? First of all, you find out one notebook's value. So here 2 notebooks value is given rupees 24. So easily find out one notebook's value. 24 divided by 2, you will get 12 rupees. Then the required notebooks 9. So you multiply by 9. So 9 into 12 equal to rupees 108. A dozen of bananas cost 20 rupees. What is the price of 48 bananas? First of all, you split number of bananas. X1, X2. The cost Y1, Y2. 12 bananas cost is equal to 20 rupees. So X1 by Y1 equal to X2 by Y2. Here X1 12, Y1 20. 12 by 20 equal to 48 divided by x. 12x is equal to 20 into 48. You find out x. So 20 into 48 divided by 12, you will get the answer x equal to 80. A farmer has enough food for 144 ducks for 28 days. If he sells 32 ducks, how long will the food last? First you split the number of ducks, 144. Then 32 ducks are sold. So 144 minus 32, you will get 112. Number of days using for food, 28 days. X1 is equal to 144. Y1 equal to 28. X2 is equal to 112. So 144 into 28 equal to 112 into x. X is equal to 144 into 28 divided by 112. X is equal to 36 days.